today's video is about product review. Okay, product review, and it's a requested video from Little Staniford. Little Staniford says, "Hi Chikeli Beauty, I appreciate this review. Thank you." She was talking about one of my videos that she watched. "There is this other product from the Inkey list that I need your opinion about. Dr. Vanittan approved it." Dr. Vanittan is a dermatologist. She's a YouTuber as well. Approved it, the Kaolin mask. "Can you please review it? Because I'm thinking of buying it, please." Okay, so Rita, this is your video that I'm doing. I hope you're watching this. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Chikeli. I am a certified esthetician and I talk about skincare. So this channel is about skincare, teaching you how to keep that skin glowing. So I do a lot of product recommendations, like product reviews, which is what this video is about. I teach you skincare routines and what you need to do to look after your skin. Okay, and I do most DIY once in a while, natural skincare formulation once in a while. If you like what you're watching and want to become part of this channel and also to keep you updated on what is happening on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe so that to keep this channel going. Okay, help me like this video, like it and share it. You're free to share it to as many people as you can. And for my regular Chikeli Beauty family that comes back to watch my videos to support me, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get to the video. Product review time. Kaolin. Okay, kaolin is actually a very popular ingredient. For those of you that don't know what kaolin is, it's a very popular ingredient, and some of the benefit that kaolin does when you apply it on your skin is it helps to absorb excess oil on the skin. Okay, and is very good for oily and oily skin, oily acne prone skin and dry acne prone skin, and is also good for sensitive skin. Okay, kaolin helps helps to unclog pores. Okay, because some of the acne that we get is caused by clogged pores, infected clogged pores that in turn forms acne. Okay, and causes acne breakout on the skin. Okay, so kaolin is very good for acne prone skin. So it helps the sebaceous gland, which is a cell that produces oil on your skin. It helps, it stops it from producing too much oil, which is what causes a lot of people to have oily skin. Okay, kaolin also is an exfoliant. Okay, and when something is an exfoliant, it means it removes dead skin cells. So when you use kaolin on your skin plenty of times, it helps to remove dead skin cells. And when dead skin cells are removed, because most times your skin looks very dull as a result of dead skin cells that are there. So when dead skin cells are removed, your skin looks much brighter. Your skin will, the premature aging signs will be less on your skin, and also your skin will be rejuvenated and produce more new cells will come up, which will make you look much younger and your skin hydrated. Okay, and this kaolin from the Inkey list I'll be doing a demo. So you're going to be watching a demo of how to use it the right way. Okay, and remember, this is an exfoliant, so you have to use it maximum 3 times a week. Okay, and after you finish watching the demo, I will tell you the truth. So this mask has another ingredient, which is silicon dioxide, and silicon dioxide is it helps to soothe the skin. So it's an anti-inflammatory, so it helps to soothe the skin. Okay, and kaolin also is more like how do I put it? Kaolin fights bacteria. I think I said that earlier. So watch this video. The demo is coming up now. When we finish watching it, I will tell you what I think of this mask. Okay. This is my skin with no makeup. Look at this sun on my face. Oh my god. See how sunny it is here. But it's winter, so you think, oh, it's very sunny, let me go outside. I feel sorry for you. It's freezing out there. Just move away from the sun a bit so you can see what my face looks like afterwards. See the glow. See the glow. Yeah, I love this mask a lot. Now, this is what I think of this mask. Did you enjoy the video? As you can see in that video, my face was glowing afterwards. Okay, my face was glowing. That demo was done during the daytime because I had to do it for you. My Chikeli Beauty family. I had to do it for you. But when you're using this mask, you have to use it at night because it's an exfoliant. You don't really want to be, after exfoliating your skin, going out in the sun. It's not the best because it can cause oversensitivity. Yeah, so this is what I think about this mask. Dr. Venetan was right. This mask is a very good one. It is a very good mask. As you can see in the video, when I was using it, after using it, even before during application, there was nothing like irritation, there was nothing like redness on my skin like some other mask does to your skin. This mask is absolutely fantastic. It didn't cause any irritation the 2 times that I've used it. I didn't even notice the oil absorbing thing. My skin was still, I don't have too much oil on my skin anyway, but I do notice that my skin feels hydrated after using it. It feels like I was putting a facial cream on my face. There was no tightening effect. I didn't notice any tightening effect because kaolin is strong. It's a strong ingredient, but this mask is good, so it's something that I would recommend. So Little Staniford, yes, you can get it, you can buy it for all skin type except dry skin can use it, and you're only allowed to use it 3 times a week maximum, because remember, in as much as it's gentle on skin, remember it's an exfoliant. Anything exfoliant helps to shed dead skin cells, and it's not recommended to use more than 3 times a week, because if you exfoliate your skin too much, it can cause your skin to become overly sensitive, and it can cause your skin to dry out more. It can even cause you to break out more. It's not good. It's not good to over exfoliate your skin. Okay, always lather after using it. Always lather. Make sure you use your toner to remove any remaining of the product on your face, and also you make sure you use your serum, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen, and you're good to go, and your skin will be glowing. Okay, I do recommend it, and the price is up here for those of you that want to buy it. You can get it online, you can get it in Boots Pharmacy or any other pharmacy that sells cosmetics. So I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that bell button that says subscribe and subscribe. And what else? Like it and share. And share. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. Mwah.